Hi, for this video we're going to review a new ORICO K40 Mini with 4 GB transfer rate speed. This is new model which has name K40 Mini and has 4000 megabytes per second for reading and writing. The weight of this SSD is about 37 grams and it has sizes 60 to 68 millimeters. The previous model from ORICO had name K20 Mini and had speeds about 2000 megabytes per second, which is still pretty fast, but in this model they doubled it. That's why this SSD is insanely fast. The cool thing about this MagSafe SSD is that the magnets inside are so strong, you can even attach it to your fridge, why not? When I started looking at some SSD with MagSafe on my iPhone, I was thinking about to get something with 1 GB transfer rate, but I saw this one with almost 4 GB of transfer rate and it's insane. Actually, this kind of SSD is for people who wanna shoot ProRes, and yeah, it takes a lot of space. It starts from 6 GB per minute up to 15 if you record ProRes RAW. Yeah, and it's better to have at least 1 TB like this model, but actually you can go up to 4 TB. For sure it's better. If you wanna buy this kind of things, actually your iPhone should be not basic one. I mean, iPhone 15, 16, 17 in basics, they have only USB 2, which means like the transfer rate gonna be limited and gonna be like 480 megabits per second, which is slow, kinda slow. Only Pro model supports USB 3 up to 10 gigabits per second, and you can transfer about like, let's say 1 GB per second. That's gonna be a transfer rate. And yeah, of course, only Pro models can shoot ProRes. Yeah, not basic one. I mean, if you look in this kind of video, I'm pretty sure you already know what you're gonna do with this, right? So let's unbox it and check what's inside. For the first test, we're gonna check how much time it takes to transfer data from your phone to this SSD, and I'm gonna remind you that iPhone supports only 1 GB per second. It means like we don't use fully this SSD with iPhone. But on the other hand, it's gonna be so fast to transfer data from this SSD to your Mac, and we're gonna test it later. For second test, we're gonna transfer data from this SSD to your iPhone. Yeah, the same file, 15 GB. Yeah, and let's test how much time it takes. For next test, we're gonna use MacBook, and if you wanna buy this SSD, be sure that your laptop supports USB4 or Thunderbolt 4. Yeah, only in this case you can get 4 GB per second transfer rate from this SSD. In this test we're gonna transfer data from this SSD to my MacBook. It's the same file, actually 15 GB, and let's test how much time it takes to transfer it to my MacBook. Okay, here we're gonna transfer data back from my MacBook to SSD and check how much time it takes. Okay, this test we're gonna check the speed for really huge files. Actually, this file I made on my iPhone. It's ProRes RAW video. It's about 10 minutes. It was tested, and you can see it's about 163 GB. It's crazy, right? So let's check how fast it's gonna be with this huge file. Okay, let's transfer this huge file back to SSD and check. And for the last test, we're gonna use Blackmagic software disk speed test. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna be. So here we are. Actually, it's a comparison of K40 Mini on the left with 4 GB per second transfer rate, and K20 Mini previous model with 2 GB per second. I mean, you can see everything here. So for the conclusion, I would say I don't know, should you buy this SSD or not? I just wanted to test it, you know? It's not like an advertisement, I just regular person just bought it for myself. I just wanted to understand like worth it or not. And actually, as you can see here, it's actually boosted up. Yeah, really, speeds bigger, faster, and yeah, for sure. But like, do you need it actually? You should ask yourself. I mean, you can actually record ProRes video for previous model, that's right. Yeah, it's gonna be just maybe slower, just not so fast like here, but like you should understand what actually you're expecting for. Yeah, that's my idea. I mean, yeah, if you want a fastest one, for sure take K40 mini and here you are. But for people who want to save something, yeah, I think the previous model is still fine. Yeah, why not? It's actually about 1 GB per second. Why not? I mean, it's like your iPhone speeds limit for transferring rate. I mean, it's up to you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this, and yeah, thank you.